Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So children, we were learning.
Now it's
So
louder.
good afternoon, children. So we were learning like decimals, unlike
Unlike
decimals.
decimals.
So one person. Okay, if you say together, I
Unlike
will not able to
decimals.
understand. So Dia, can you say Dia like decimal?
Decimal numbers having an equal number of decimal places are called like decimal.
Same number of decimal places. Okay, so you can remember like decimal means same number of decimal places. Same number of decimal places means after the decimal point, we will count how many decimal places are there. If all have same number of decimal places, we will say they are like decimals. If they are not the same number of decimal places, what we'll say?
Unlike decimal.
Unlike.
Decimal. Excuse me, ma'am. We have also studied convert unlike decimal to
Yes. After that, we
like
studied how to convert unlike.
unlike decimal into like decimal.
Okay, Ayman, can you say how we can convert?
Ma'am, first we will look at the decimal part.
Yes, Angelina, please wait. Ayman is speaking. Yes, Ayman.
Ma'am, first we will look at the decimal part, and if the number with the most number of
We will see the number with more number of decimal places.
decimals
Then we will add as many zeros to
zeros.
make the same number of decimal places. Okay, so that's clear. Now we'll start with equivalent decimals. Okay, equivalent. So you have to listen properly, listen carefully. So equivalent decimals. So what are equivalent decimal? The decimal numbers which have equal value. Equal value. So children, you will see with the examples, then you will understand. So we are learning now equivalent. Equivalent decimals. So before learning this 7 by 10, how can I write this 7 by 10, Gautam, as a decimal number?
Ma'am, 0.7.
0.7.
0.7.
Okay, 0.7.
7.
This 7 by 100. How can I write 7? Yes, Daniel. How can I write 7 by 100? No, not 70 by 100. It's not audible.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, yes. Can say now here. Yes, Adil.
Ma'am, 0.70.
Okay, 0.70. So children, we learned how to, we learned these fractions, yes, and dividing, multiply fractions. So how we will do 70 by 100, how we can write as like lowest form we learned, yes. We can cut one number. So what is it is again we can write
0.7.
7 by 10, yes, 7 by 10.
So it is 0.
Okay, so this 0.70 can be written as 0.7 itself because we have reduced that number. So we got, so 7 by 10 is it is equal to 70 by 100. So we can write 0.7 and 0.70, they are equivalent decimals. So what we will do, we will check the value after the decimal point. Here it is 7, here it is 7. And we learned in the last class, we can add as many zeros to the right side of the last digit. it will not change. So how we have converted unlike decimals to like decimals? We add as many zeros. So when we add as many zeros to the right side, there is no value. So 0 0.7, 0 0.70, 0 0.700, they all are same value, equal value. Look at the first number, 7. 7. So we will not look at the, if you write as many 0 to the right side, they
Then
will
also
not
it is
change the
equivalent for
value.
decimal.
So this is called equivalent
Equivalent
decimals.
decimals.
So children, when we add as many zeros to the right side of the last digit after the decimal point, we cannot add to the whole number part. Okay, if we add zeros to the right side of the decimal point after the last digit, if we add many zeros, it will not change the value of the decimal numbers. So such decimal numbers are called equivalent decimals.
Decimals.
So the decimal numbers, listen carefully, decimal numbers which have equal value. It is not the same number of decimal places. It is equal value. Okay, listen carefully. The decimal numbers which have equal value are called equivalent decimals. Equivalent decimals.
Now you just have screen.
Yes, wait. Equivalent decimals. Okay, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
So equivalent decimals means the decimal numbers which have equal value. Equal value. Here 0.7, we can say 0.70, 0.700. Please, when we see here only one decimal point, here we have two decimal, here we have three decimal, but look at the value here, 7. 7. After the decimal point, which is the number 7. So these decimal numbers have the same equal value. There is no, if we put many zeros to the right side of the, after the decimal point, there is no value. But 0.7, 0.7007, are they equivalent? Look here, after the decimal point, what is the value here? 7. What is the value here? 0. They are not equivalent. Okay. So, children, we will check 0.7, 0.70. We will check after
equivalent.
they are the same value,
are
7
same
and
value.
7. Here, when we compare, here 7, here 0, they don't have the equal value. So, these are not equivalent decimal. Here they are equivalent decimal. Children, here we can see with one picture here. If I write 2 by 10, I want to draw 2 by 10. So how will I do? I will make it 10 pieces. 1, 2, listen carefully, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how can I color 2 by 10? I can take two parts. Yes.
Yeah, color 2
I can take two parts from here. 1,
2.
so this is 2 by 10. Okay. So when we say 2 by 10, we are checking whether it is equivalent to 20 by 100. Yes. So children, how you can write 2 by 10 as a fraction, as a decimal number? 0.2. So I told you, when we do that lowest form, we can cross out 1 0. So this is also equal to 2 by 10. So that means 2 by 10 and 20 by 100, they are equivalent. But we are checking this through picture, one picture here. Here also the same number. What is the number here? 20 by
20 by 100.
100.
So we can
Like this, I have to make it 100 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4.
first we should
Same
make
size rectangles. Okay,
Now
here.
now we
So
can
this
make
here,
10 rows and
1,
10 columns.
10 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ma'am,
7, 8,
one is
9,
big.
10. One is big. So I will make it small.
Ouch. 1, 2, 3.
How much now here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So here we have 2 by 10. 2 by 10. Now here I have to make 20 by 100. So this 10 rows again, I have to make it
Once in
here
here
10 columns here. 1,
to do.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, I want to shade 20 by 100. So you know the total number of pieces is here
Yeah, we should to shade
100.
20.
So when I color, I want to
can-
take 20. So what will I do?
So we can
I will color 2
color
rows
20.
here. So we can see from the picture also 2 by 10 and 20
That
by
is 20.
100. 2 by 10 and 20 by 100, they are equal, or we can say they are equivalent. Look at this here, same value. Okay.
Yeah, because
So
seems
children, we can see from the picture also 2 by 10, 20 by 100, they are equivalent because they represents the same value decimal. This, so here this is 1 by 10, 2 by 10. 1 and second row we have 2 by 10. Here it is 20 by 100. So from the picture it is clear, both are same. Then I told you how you can make equivalent. Otherwise you can use lowest method. So 20 by 100 is same as 2 by 10. So 0.2 and 0.20, they are equivalent decimals. So who can define the equivalent decimal? One more time I will say the decimal numbers which have equal values. Decimal numbers which have equal values are called equivalent decimals. Who can tell me what is a decimal equivalent decimals? Yes, Manu.
Decimal numbers which have equal value is called equivalent decimal.
Equivalent decimals. Can you, yes, Angelina, can you say some examples? Can you say some examples for equivalent decimals?
Yes, ma'am. 0.8,
0.8,
0.800,
0.8, 0.80, 0.80000. Many
They are
zeros if you
equal.
add, the value will not change. Okay, children. So we will check only the numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
So here if I have 0.72, 0.720, 0.7200, equal
Same, because
value. Look at here the value 72, 72, 72. So there is no value for these zeros when we write after the decimal. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. So it is equivalent first
they
decimal.
are equivalent decimals.
Equivalent decimals.
Yes, Angela, it's not audible. Can you say it a little more clearly? Yes, ask
Yeah.
me.
If there, when we look the equivalence by decimals, the first value, if it is same, it is equivalent. So how we, if the number was 0.8, 0.87, And how
No,
can we?
if we have more zeros only, there is no value.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
we cannot take another numbers. We will add as many zeros that zeros will not change the value
Ma'am,
of
can
the
I ask
decimal.
one thing? One thing,
Ah,
ma'am. So 0.8 and 0.87 they are not equal,
they are not same. Okay,
ma'am. When we look,
0.8 and after that 8, if there are zeros only, how we can make equivalent, we are making like unlike decimals, how we will add? We will add only zeros. We will not add any other numbers.
ma'am, if there is 0 after the number, then only they are equivalent.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Can
I
we
was
add any other numbers? See children, here if I write, we have, what is this number?
10.
Yes,
Ma'am, it's 10.
10. Okay. What is this number?
100.
Ma'am,
100.
100.
Are they same?
No.
No, I am not asking about decimal numbers here. But 10, 0, 10. What is the value of this?
10.
10. So when we add, if I am saying, when we add zeros to the left, it will not change the value. Okay. But
Okay,
if
ma'am.
I write 10, if I add as many zeros to the right side,
1000, it is called
same.
1000.
But this is 1000. 10 is different, 100 is different, 1000 is different. This is
Different.
the normal case with the normal numbers. And if I'm saying here, for the
Decimals,
decimal
it is-
numbers, we will add zeros to the right side after the number. If I'm writing
Yeah.
wherever zero I want to write here, is the same? No.
No, it's
About,
not same.
I'm speaking about adding zeros to the right side only. We
Yeah.
cannot
So it is equivalent.
add zero. Can you add any number and tell that both they are equivalent decimals? No.
No.
Speaking about the zeros, and that zeros where we are adding to the right side of the
Right
number.
side of the
So if we add zeros to the
zero.
left side, they are not the
We
same.
cannot.
They are
They are
not.
not same.
Look at the value 8. Here we look at the value 0. So they are not equivalent decimals. Okay, children.
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
give you one question.
Understood, ma'am.
Yes.
So the question.
Okay, please take out your workbook. Then when we do more problems, we can
Okay, ma'am.
understand. In between, we have not done one like multiple choice question or fill in the blanks. Find out the number. Is it
Ma'am, which
Yes, ma'am.
page number
Is lengthy,
59?
ma'am.
Yeah, 50.
Question number 9. Question number 9.
That definition question.
Yeah, question number 90.
Can you read, Gautam? Question number 9.
Ma'am. Decimal numbers having equal values are called
Equal values are called? Decimal numbers having
equal values are called dash decimals.
equivalent decimals. Okay, so children, you can write question number 9. Question number 9. Page number 59.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 59. Why we are not have taken that before? Because like decimal, unlike decimal, equivalent decimals, when you study together, you will get confusion. So like decimals, we have learned. What is that? Like if they have equal number, same number of decimals. Here, equivalent decimals. So equivalent, we know the spelling. We have learned equivalent fractions and all. So children, like decimals means after the decimal point, how many decimal places are there? If the number of places are same, they are like decimals. But for the, in case of equivalent decimals, we are not counting the number of decimals, but we are checking only the value. So if they have equal value, then only they will become equivalent decimals. Okay, equivalent decimals. So when we see after the decimal point, if the number is 3, when we add how many zeros to the right side of 3, that value will not change. But we cannot add zeros to the left side. Okay, 0.03 is different from 0.3. Okay, now I think we have completed question number 14. Yes? Okay, Anusri, can you read question number 15? You are absent some days, yes? Yes, Anusri, unmute. Not possible to? Yes, John, read question number 15.
Ma'am,
Is there any problem to? Yes, Gautam. Agnay, is there any problem to unmute? Check.
no, ma'am.
I
No?
can unmute.
Yes. So, Agnay, can you read question number 15?
Write the expanded forms of the given decimals. Express these decimal numbers in words.
Words. Okay. Before that, can you tell me the place values after the decimal point? After the decimal point, which is the first decimal, 10th. So, children, in the last class, we have discussed the place value chart. Place value chart. So, here, if the decimal point is here, after the decimal point, the place value, that is 10th. After 10th, we have 100. 100.
1000. 1000. Next
We will write S also. Tenths, 100th, then
1000.
1000th. 1000th. This TH is very important. 1000th. So this is after the decimal point, or we can say right side of the decimal point. So before the decimal point, we have the normal place values. 1,
10,
tens,
hundreds, 1000.
hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, and hundreds. So children, here we have to write the expanded form of the
Forms
given
of the
numbers.
given number.
So question number 15, if I am writing here, 445, 445 point 34, 34.
Ma'am, something is coming.
34. Okay. So children, the question is write the expanded form. So children, first we will write this 4 is in which place? Yes,
Ma'am, hundreds, please.
hundreds place. Yes, John Sebi, please check whether you can unmute. John, 4 is in which place? No.
Ma'am is telling no.
4 hundreds. 4 hundreds.
4 into 100.
Then first we will write like this, because we want to study more this 10th, 100th. Then
Yeah.
after some time only we will write without the place value. 4
hundreds.
I think some problem with the board. 4 hundreds plus. Next one, 4 is in which place here? Tens. 4
tens.
tens. So here we have 4 tens
Ones.
plus
5
5 is
ones.
in which place? Ones. 5 ones.
Ma'am, for decimal, what you'll do?
Then tell me 4 plus 3 is in which place?
10th.
10th. Okay, so children, what we had to write here? 3 is in 10th place. So we will
10th
write
place.
plus 3 tenths.
10th.
THS. Don't forget to add. If you write without TH, tens, if you write, it will be same like this here. Normal place without decimal. So 4 is in hundreds place. So we will write 4 hundreds. 4 tens.
Tens.
5
5 ones.
ones.
3
Then we will add 3 tenths.
tens.
Then-
And 4 hundreds.
4 hundreds. Yes.
Ma'am.
Plus.
And this is express these decimal numbers in words.
Now we should
No,
do that
we are
in
writing
four.
expanded form. Plus
Ma'am,
plus form.
Ma'am,
After that, we will write the number in words. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, here you can write the answer from here. First, you have to write this step. Don't write without this step. Some children will write 4 into 100, 400 directly.
400.
Don't do that because these decimal places, we have to get some practice.
Ma'am, now
So you can start from here. 4 hundreds plus
4
4 tens
tens
plus
plus
5
5 ones
plus 3
3
tens plus
plus
4
4
hundreds.
hundreds.
Now we will write this as 400 means
400.
how we will write 100?
4 into 100.
Plus 4 tens, how we can write 4
4
into
into 10.
10 plus 5 ones, what you will write? 5
5
into
into
1.
1.
5 into
1.
1. Why we need to write this one? Because we should get some practice to write a 10th, 100th and all. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
don't skip these steps. Now 3 tenth. 3
3
into
into
what
1
you will
by
write?
10. 3 into 1
into
by 10.
1 by 10
Plus 4.
plus 400. 4 into
4 into 1 by
1 by 100.
yes, ma'am.
Now you can write 4 into 100 is 400 plus 40
Two.
plus 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 4 by 100.
Plus
Okay, next you can write the step. Next step, we can write here 4 into 100 is
4 into 100 is
400.
400
plus 4 into 10 is
into
40
40
plus 5 into 1 is 5
5
plus 3 into 1 by 10 is 3 by 10 plus 4 by 100. So this is the expanded form. Okay, so look at the question number 15. Write the expanded form of the given decimal. So we have written now the expanded form. Now write the number in words. So children, you know 445. Look at the number without a decimal. 445. That we know already. 445. Now look at the number after the decimal. After the decimal, 3, 4. 34, look at the place value here. 100th. 34 what? 34?
100.
100th. So we will write in the next step the number in words.
and now
The time is over. We will write quickly that number or number name we can do in the next class.
Ma'am, this class.
So we can write faster. Only the number name. 400. 400. This is normal number name, but we have learned in class 2 to class 1 like that. 445. 445. Only we have to look at the decimal part. Decimal part, what is the number? 34. 34, but the place value is 100th. So we can write 34. 34. 100th. 34. 100th. I told you children, don't forget to add THS. That is the main thing we had to be careful during writing the decimal numbers. Hundredths. Okay, so 445. 445.
3400.
We can write here also one.
3400.
And 3400th. Okay, 3400ths. We can do question number B in the next class. No need to write that as a homework. We have to do more practice with the number name. So
Okay,
children, we
ma'am.
will wind up the class now. In the next class, I will send the notes.
bye ma'am, thank you.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.